Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am vlogging our anniversary day of celebrations, but our actual anniversary is not until Tuesday, October 12th, but today is Sunday, October 10th?
Yeah.
I think today's the 10th. And we're just about to go into the mall. We just left Hooters, which I'll insert a little clip next. And then we're gonna enter the mall. Then we're planning on going to some haunted houses after this, so we'll take you guys with us. And in honor of celebrating our anniversary, our 15-year anniversary. How do you feel about that, babe? That's it? Yep, 15 years. 15 long years with this one. So we'll take you guys along with us today, and I hope you guys enjoy it. We're at Hooters and I got some TMI wings, and I always get only drums because those are my favorite. Babe, what'd you get?
Mild. I'm a little
mild.
And Parmesan garlic.
Parmesan garlic and fries. And we also had some buffalo shrimp. Wow. We also had some buffalo shrimp, but we devoured it. But yeah, we're gonna dig in, and we're also watching the Bears game playing over there. Yum, yum, yum. Where are you taking me, babe? To Lululemon. Yay! Okay, so the mall was a fail because we didn't know they close at 6 p.m. over here in Schaumburg on Sundays. And we went to Lululemon. I saw something I liked, but they didn't have my size. And I kind of wanted it with the hoodie either way. So yeah, that didn't work out. Then we went to Nordstrom. And yeah, they were about to close, and then the only door that was near us to get out was not where we parked, so we have to walk like all the way back there. And we're going down this little ramp. So yeah, Faye, are you excited about this? We need to walk off this Hooters we just ate. All right, so we're going to head to a drive-through haunted house, and it ended up being that they were closed. So we came to the Sugar Factory. It's really cute in here with all the chandeliers, and the drink menu is crazy, like so many options. So we just ordered one, we're waiting for it to get here, and then probably buy our tickets to the next haunted house. I think we're gonna go to 13 floors, or the 13th floor, and then yeah, hopefully that'll be the end of the night. But
if we make it out of here.
If we make it out of here, because they said that these drinks have like 7 to 8 shots in them, and we're gonna share one, luckily. But still, that's like almost 4 shots each. So let's see how that goes. Oh, so cool. Missed it for your snap.
Oh yeah.
Wow, that looks awesome. Thank you. This is the strawberry lemonade smash. Go ahead, babe.
Alright, let's try it out. I think I dug it in the gummy.
Try mine, try mine. Smooth. And it has tequila in it. Ah, there goes your gummy. Right.
Yeah, it's not even.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yes, thank you.
Very fruity, right?
The shot's over here.
Oh yeah.
It's very
You gotta
good.
mix it.
Very fruity, and then it has like these gummies on top. These are gummies too. These little watermelons with cherries.
She's drunk already, forgive her.
Alright, so we sat at the bar, and we're almost done with our drinks. And this is the second time the bartender gives us free shots. Right, babe? It's a good thing you said to sit here. So now we're about to take it. Let's go.
Let's go.
Last and final spot is 13th floor, haunted house. I'm nervous because it looks small from over here, but it's connected to like this huge warehouse in the back. So we'll see how this goes. We're about to go in the haunted house. I'm a little nervous. I like haunted houses, but I'm a little nervous since we didn't go to any last year. Babe, are you ready?
Born ready.
You'll see us afterwards because I don't think they allow recording in there, but you'll see us afterwards. We just got out and look at me. I'm a sweaty mess. It was so awesome. If you guys live in Chicago or near Chicago, you guys have to check it out. 13th floor. Jay, what'd you think?
Yeah, it was one of the scariest I've been to.
Yeah. And then I was like, I want to go first. I want to go first. If I'm gonna get scared, I want to get scared first. And Babe was behind me, but then they kept chasing him the whole time. They were after him.
She set me up.
I was like, get him. But I'm sweaty. I'm like out of breath. My throat hurts because I was screaming so much. But like in a good way. It was like fun, scary but fun. So it was awesome. Look at this. Sweaty. Look at this. Look how sweaty I look. Well, it was a great way to end our anniversary date. And now we're heading home to the babies. But yeah, this was awesome. We just got home. We're taking the babies out for a walk. Zoe does not know what she's doing. She's going crazy. While Max is leading the way, doing his own thing. Look at this wild girl. Zoe got a haircut not too long ago, and I asked for the boo haircut, but since she's so skinny, it doesn't look right on her. So we're gonna have to find a new haircut for her. Alright guys, that's the end of today. We had such a blast celebrating our anniversary today. We went to Hooters to eat. We love Hooters. We went to the mall, but that was a slight fail because the stores were closing as soon as we got there. And then we went to, we tried to go to the drive-thru haunted house, but that was closed. Then we went to the Sugar Factory for the first time, and that was really good. And we also got some free shots, so that was nice. And then we went to the 13th floor haunted house, and that was really, really fun. So if you guys have not checked out that haunted house and you're interested in checking it out, you definitely need to. But yeah, Tuesday we're gonna actually go to the movies. We used to love going to the movies all the time on Tuesdays before the pandemic, so we're gonna do that. And yeah, that'll wrap up our anniversary. It was really fun, and yeah, that's the end of today's video. Please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!